Dr. Arun Sharma is the founder director of the International Institute of Mahayoga and Natural Hygiene, USA. He has over 40 years of teaching and counseling experience in nature cure. His grandfather, Acharya Lakshmana Sharma, is renowned as the father of nature cure in India.
When you have the empty stomach, so many good things happen in the body. Repairing and readjusting things in the body happen only when you leave the stomach empty. And your intelligence is at peak and your creativity is wonderful if you leave the stomach empty for a long time. So many people get ulcerative colitis and so many ulcers in the body. All this can be healed if you practice fasting. If a floor is to be repaired and people are walking across it, we cannot do the repair work. We have to stop people walking over it and we repair it, allow it to dry, and then it will be ready for use. In the same way, if we have ulcers in the stomach, all kinds of problems, then we have to undertake fasting. On the contrary, doctors or medical people advise you not to leave the stomach empty, constantly keep eating something so that you will not get any pain. That's totally ridiculous, because unless you leave the stomach empty, it cannot ever be healed. You have to leave the space without using it and allow the body to heal.